Hi everyone, this is Elena Guru. I'm a psychologist.
Hi, I'm Ravika Rai, occupational therapist.
My name is Shiva, assistant professor.
Hello, I'm Sabrin Sharma. I'm a CSLP and PhD scholar in speech language pathology.
Hello, this is Neelam Lama, speech language pathologist from Nepal.
Hello, my name is Gita Pandey and I am from the Kaliwa of Nepal. My name is speech language pathologist.
Namaste. Myself Artist Roster, psychologist here from Nepal.
And I attended OSIT Level 1,
So I attended OSIT from SpeechGears.
which is Oral Sensorimotor Integration Therapy.
And I'm so happy to have this level 1 OSIT training for today.
We were taught about oral sensorimotor therapy, which is very useful for our kids, especially those dealing with autism, CP, Down syndrome, and many more.
I have not heard about the SIT program. That is, they give the training of sensory motor exercise, work with hands on the explore what is speech gear kit is.
The course is well designed, and the part I liked about it is economy. Economy, in a sense, how it's so minimalistic. Like where the course, the resources, the kit is, it looks very smaller, but the applications are wider.
The program was very exemplary and over the expectation. We found it very useful for our kids.
It was knowledge into and I really liked it. I hope you will get more chances to get into this type of workshop from speech.
Presentation was so clear with the use of very simple words. He was able to explain us, and the practical session was so effective.
It was amazing. The presenters were great. The presentation was good.
I got to learn so many things related on how to use the tools, how to work on articulation, speech clarity.
And thank you Subham Sarna sir and Nehana for brushing our skills on oral motor rehab.
Got to know a lot more than what I was using before, and overall it was amazing.
It was very fun to have the
And so I'm practicing this speech pathologist again. So I'd like to recommend this course to the students, speech therapists, physiotherapists.
So we would like to recommend it to every parents, every who is going through this phase.
if your child has oral sensory motor issues, then you should definitely take this workshop. Thank you.